Welcome, everyone. Are you a business owner or entrepreneur looking to level up your game? Today, I'll be sharing 5 best software for businesses that can help you streamline operations, boost your online presence, and engage with your audience. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about Open.money, a fantastic tool for managing payments and banking for businesses. With Open.money, you can integrate your invoices, automate payrolls, and even track expenses in real time. Why is this a game changer? It's tailored specifically for small businesses and startups. You don't have to juggle between multiple platforms. Everything's centralized. Plus, it's super secure. Who doesn't love hassle-free payments, right? Next on our list is Buffer, the ultimate tool for managing your social media presence. From scheduling posts to analyzing performance, Buffer helps you engage with your audience without burning out. Imagine you're running a campaign for a new product. With Buffer, you can schedule posts across Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn all at once. It also provides analytics to show you what's working, so you can double down on your best strategies. Now, if you're thinking of starting a website or revamping your existing one, domain.com is your go-to platform. It's where your business gets its online identity. You can register your domain name, choose from plenty of extensions, and even get hosting solutions, all in one place. Whether you want a .com, .co, or .biz, domain.com has your back. A strong domain name makes your brand memorable, and that's crucial in today's digital landscape. At number 4, Wix.com. Speaking of websites, Wix.com is the perfect tool to build one without any coding skills. Wix offers stunning templates, drag-and-drop features, and even SEO optimization tools to help your business stand out. Whether you're running an online store, a blog, or a portfolio site, Wix makes it easy to design and customize everything. It's like having a professional web developer, without the hefty cost. Last but not least, let's talk about Slack, the ultimate tool for team collaboration. Say goodbye to endless email threads and hello to seamless communication. With Slack, you can create channels for specific projects, share files instantly, and even integrate with other tools like Google Drive or Trello. Whether your team is remote or in office, Slack keeps everyone on the same page. Plus, the emojis and GIFs make work a little more fun. So there you have it, the top 5 software that can supercharge your business in 2024. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to grow your business. See you in the next video.